What is cloud computing? Cloud computing refers to the delivery of various services, including software, storage, databases, servers, networking, analytics, and intelligence, over the Internet to offer faster innovation, flexible resources, and economies of scale. Instead of owning and maintaining physical servers or computers, users can access computing resources on demand from a cloud service provider. Types of cloud computing. Cloud computing services are typically categorized into three main models. Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, provides virtualized computing resources over the Internet, such as virtual machines, storage, and networks. Users can rent IT infrastructure on a pay-as-you-go basis. Platform as a Service, PaaS, offers a platform that allows developers to build, deploy, and manage applications without dealing with the complexity of building and maintaining the underlying infrastructure. PaaS provides a framework and environment for developers to build upon. Software as a Service, SaaS, delivers software applications over the Internet on a subscription basis. Users can access these applications via a web browser without needing to install or maintain the software on their devices. Cloud computing provides several advantages. Agility. The cloud gives you easy access to a broad range of technologies so that you can innovate faster and build nearly anything that you can imagine. You can quickly spin up resources as you need them, from infrastructure services, such as computing, storage, and databases, to the Internet of Things, machine learning, data lakes, analytics, and much more. You can deploy technology services in a matter of minutes and get from idea to implementation several orders of magnitude faster than before. This gives you the freedom to experiment, test new ideas to differentiate customer experiences, and transform your business. Elasticity. With cloud computing, you don't have to over-provision resources upfront to handle peak levels of business activity in the future. Instead, you provision the amount of resources that you actually need. You can scale these resources up or down to grow and shrink capacity as your business needs change instantly. Cost efficiency. The cloud allows you to trade fixed expenses, such as data centers and physical servers, for variable expenses and only pay for IT as you consume it. Plus, the variable expenses are much lower than what you would pay to do it yourself because of the economies of scale. Deploy globally in minutes. With the cloud, you can expand to new geographic regions and deploy globally in minutes. For example, Google, AWS, Microsoft, and IBM have infrastructure worldwide, so you can deploy your application in multiple physical locations with just a few clicks. Putting applications in closer proximity to end users reduces latency and improves their experience. Scalability. Cloud services can scale resources up or down based on demand, allowing businesses to pay only for what they use. Flexibility and mobility. Users can access cloud services from anywhere with an internet connection, promoting collaboration and enabling remote work. Automatic updates. Cloud service providers handle server maintenance, including software updates, allowing businesses to focus on their core activities. Security. Reputable cloud service providers invest heavily in security measures, often providing better security than many organizations can achieve on their own. Popular cloud service providers include Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, IBM Cloud, and many others. These providers offer a variety of services tailored to different user needs, from individual developers to large enterprises.